inside last year's Salah message, the president say Nigerians should sacrifice. This year, he said that the toughest days is behind us.
Hey, you have sacrificed, man. They said they sacrifice.
So, you sacrifice. Now it's telling you those days are behind us.
Why?
You believe that when the government enter in 2-3 months, everything will get better. It doesn't work that way. There is a process.
Last year's Salah, he said, we sacrifice.
Yes.
This is 1 year after.
Yes.
He said tough times behind us.
Yes,
man. How?
Okay.
What did you say? Okay, compare the price of things last year
and this year.
For him to tell you that those days are behind us, and we will see it. Let's be patient.
Okay, as at when you say make we sacrifice last year, did he make any sacrifice?
There is when you are not involved in something.
Yeah,
you understand? Your assumption from outside is different from inside. So when he got inside, he realized that he needs to do more.
We never see anything, no. We should say the first days behind. That one and I make with the drink. The bone they cut for front of go hook our throat.
Abana Chook Pound. Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.